When is Spotify Wrapped in 2022? In this short video, I'm going to talk about when Spotify will be launching their Wrapped for 2022. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Spotify Wrapped is a viral marketing campaign run by Spotify every year. The campaign allows Spotify users to view a compilation of data about their activity on the platform over the past year and invites them to share it on social media. Spotify Wrapped has historically included the 5 musicians a user has listened to most often, the songs which they have listened to most, and their favourite music genres. Spotify Wrapped is shared widely on social media each year and has led to millions of people to promote Spotify on their social media accounts. So generally it's released in early December each year, and that's normally accompanied by billboards and television advertisements. So given that the day now is the 16th of November, you can expect to see Spotify Wrapped within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So make sure you keep an eye out for it, and I'll update you closer to the time when it's released. Thanks for watching.